The secret behind attracting women with your physique. This is going to be the most important video you see on YouTube today, maybe even this week. So pay attention. I'm going to cover 5 things today. V-taper, keep oversized, be lean, train like a maniac, and eat a shit ton of meat and eggs. I have a course you can join, it's cheap as fuck. Click the link in my bio. But, what is the V-taper? Many YouTubers will be like, yeah, I'm going to give you the most important shit last, so stick to the end. Fuck that! The most important thing you can build is a V-taper. And I'm literally going to teach you why the fuck a V-taper is so important. And as you can see, I'm not like any other YouTuber, bro. I'm giving you the information straight away so you can actually learn and implement this shit. So pretty much, a V-taper. What is a V-taper? A V-taper is when, look, I have a V-taper because my shoulders are a lot more wider than my waist. As you can see, bro, my V-taper is crazy, right? My shoulders are a lot more wider than my hips. So therefore, I have a V-taper. It's like the upside down Dorito. Girls are attracted to this. But let me flip the question, right? What are men attracted to? And why? So, probably because we're stupid and we just want to fuck. But, imagine a girl with big boobies, big ass, and small waist. Even if she has a mid-face, we'd still want to fuck her because she's got like the perfect body. Like the body that we're attracted to. Like, well, men like 100 years ago would run through fire, kill fucking... What would they kill? Like, men 100 years ago would run through fire, kill dragons, just to fucking sleep with a girl with big boobies and big ass and small waist, right? We're subconsciously attracted to this. Even if the face is mid. Like, most guys don't even care if the fucking girl that they're gonna meet from Tinder, her face is mid, bro. As long as she's gonna give it up, then they'll still meet her. So, pretty much, the way that, what are girls attracted to? Well, they're attracted to the exact same thing. They would not slay dragons and run through fire, but they would just stay at home and fucking cook. If the guy has a V-taper, if the guy's shoulders are a lot more wider than his hips, right? Because, I don't know why, it just signals that like, well, think about it, bro. If a girl has a, like, big boobies, big ass, it shows that she's like fertile and she's like fucking sexy and she's got potential, right? Same thing probably goes for a man. A man, when he has a V-taper and shit, it shows that he has high testosterone, that he's like fucking breedable. Yeah, bro, just V-taper is very important, trust me. V-taper is the most important thing you can do. It's like, why the fuck wouldn't you want to get a V-taper? You're gonna get more bitches, you're gonna feel more confident, and you're gonna get more respect, bro. The more of a V-taper you have, the more like primal you look. The more primal you are, the more sexy you are to the opposite gender, right? So what does the V-taper consist of? Well, let me break it down very quickly. Neck, traps, shoulders, chest, lats. That's what gives you the V-taper, right? And now let's go over how to build the V-taper and what specific muscles to go into. Now we're going to talk about shape and size. Why is this so important? Why is this even a category? Well, many people are fucking stupid, but imagine this. Would you prefer to have a girl with big ass or a nicely shaped ass, right? Would you prefer to have a girl fat, big boobies or nicely shaped boobies? Exactly. So, we can use this fucking common knowledge thing to us. Would you prefer to have... No, flip the script. A girl would prefer to have someone with nicely shaped body rather than a fucking massive muscle body. So, the same reason why girls would prefer Ronaldo over Ronnie Coleman. Not just because Ronaldo has more money, more status, and probably a hotter girlfriend, but because Ronaldo's shape is a lot better than Ronnie Coleman's. Well, oh fuck, now I'm gonna get beat up by the bodybuilders. Ronnie Coleman's shape is so much better than Ronaldo. Well, yeah, no shit, it's like... Yeah, but you understand the point, right? Now I'm gonna teach you how to build the shape of every single muscle in the V-taper, right? So for chest, the most important thing we can do for chest is incline. Incline, incline, incline. The only rule to building a big chest is what? Incline! So, incline dumbbell press. Just incline dumbbell press, incline dumbbell press, incline dumbbell press, incline dumbbell press, incline dumbbell press. This is the only thing you need for a big chest. Now, shoulders. Shoulders. Think about it. It's the side of your shoulder. This is what gives you the 3D shoulder thing, right? What do we do this? You just do lateral raises, lateral raises, lateral raises. How'd you get big shoulders? How? Lateral raises. And how'd you get bigger shoulders? You do more lateral raises. It's common sense. Just lateral raises, lateral raises, lateral raises. And if you want an extra tip, Do it on a cable behind your back, right? Cable lateral raises behind your back. You're gonna grow shoulders, massive shoulders, right? Now let's go over to lats. Lats, wide grip pull-ups. Wide grip pull-ups. How'd you get a big back? Wide grip pull-ups, right? And how'd you get a big back? Weighted wide grip pull-ups. I just broke the fucking world. Weighted wide grip pull-ups is the only thing you need for a big back. What? Weighted pull-ups. Yes. Well done. Now for traps. Shrugs. And if you want an extra tip. If you want an extra tip for shrugs, lean forward slightly and do them. Because then, and look up. Right? And then you're going to get a lot more trap activation. My uncle on steroids taught me this because I was in my garage gym just doing some shrugs. And he was like, you're doing it wrong. You need to lean forward slightly. I was like, oh. Yeah, I just trust my uncle. He's fucking massive. And he's on steroids. So, yeah. Right, for neck, just do neck curls. Many people neglect the neck. And then 10 years later, they've never trained neck. And then when you cut their body off, you only see their neck. And it don't look like they train. I'm falling for this because... like, when I do this, sure, my neck looks big, but when I'm, like, normal, my neck looks small as fuck. I need to train my neck. We'll see how far my neck grows over the fucking years of my content, right? So, we talked about neck, this. Boom! We've talked about shape over size. Why is it important and how to actually get the correct shape. So, recap. Chest, incline bench press, shoulders, lateral raises, shrugs, neck curls, and weighted pull-ups. Boom. Shape over size, bang. You know what to do. Perfect. Now, we're talking about be lean. Well, you can't always be lean. You need to first... I mean, there's a couple ways you can build muscle. You can bulk, you can maintain, or you can just eat a shit ton of meat and eggs, and then you build muscle, and you lose fat and build muscle. It's actually what I did. No, I won't. But, if you click the link in below, you see my two-month transformation. Click the link below and you see my 2-month transformation. That's how much, like, I gained a shit ton of muscle. I went from 100 kg bench press to 115 kg bench press in 2 months. Only from eating a shit ton of meat and eggs. I didn't eat anything else. I lost body fat, I gained muscle, and I gained strength. And I lost body weight. Which is crazy. Like, I lost body weight and I gained strength? That don't make sense. That's like, you took steroids. No, I just ate eggs. Right? Even my uncle that takes steroids thought I was taking steroids because I was growing so much, but that was just because I was eating a shit ton of meat and eggs, right? So just eat as many eggs as possible. Eat eggs. Yeah, but you have to be lean. Like, you can't be a fucking big bulky guy, right? I mean, I'm kind of the victim, bro. I'm still kind of fat, but it don't really matter because I have the V-taper, right? And I'm gonna... like, I don't really care about cutting because the only thing I care about is recording videos for you right now. Like, obviously, I'm not cutting, I'm not bulking, I'm just recording videos. Like, the only thing that I care about is recording videos and teaching you everything I know. Like, what am I... but, bro, I've been through it. I know how to do it, and I've had abs before. Just imagine I'm bulking. Yeah, I want to bulk. Right? So... be lean, obviously, because if you're not lean, you're not going to have abs. And if you don't have abs, you're missing out on attractiveness you could have. The more attractive you are, the leaner you are. And, like, think about it. If you're more lean, you're going to have a better jawline. Your abs are going to look better. You're going to have, like, veiny forearms. You're going to have better forearms. You're going to have bigger veins and shit. You're going to have, like, different striations on your shoulders. I guess if you think about it, I'm lean. I've got everything that checks out. Apart from the fact that I've got fucking body fat, but so what? Right? So, be lean. Be lean. Why? Better jawline, better abs, more veins. Right? And your PP looks bigger. Now, it's training like a maniac. You have to train like a maniac in order to grow. You need to train till failure. You need to train as hard as fucking possible, right? The trick that I can give you is, imagine you're doing bicep curls, right? And you think you're getting to failure, like, oh, it hurts. Now, you have to imagine, if you don't get another 5 reps, your mother will get shot in the face by a fucking mafia boss with a big beard. And he's got, like, this fucking cool-ass hat. It's like, right? Him. He's going to shoot your mother in the head with a Uzi, right? If you don't get another 5 reps. So you better get another 5 reps. If not, your mother will die. Do you want your mother to die? Exactly. Get the fucking 5 reps. Right? It's the only thing that I could like tell you. If you don't train until failure, 1, you're a pussy. 2, you're just not gonna grow as much, bro. You have to train till failure. Like Tom Platz has a perfect example. If you don't go to failure, how the fuck are you gonna go up? You go down, you become a failure, and then you right. You have to train till failure to actually make your muscles grow. You think these muscles weren't grown from not training till failure, right? Training till failure is literally just doing as many reps as you can until you can't do any reps anymore, right? I know it hurts. Working out does hurt, and making muscle does hurt, but you need to push past the pain, right? Just train as fucking hard as you can. Just go past failure. Like, come on, bro. I believe in you. And the best way that you can actually train till failure is you need to get gym bro. Gym bro is gonna, like, imagine you working out with your friend, right? You're like 5 reps away from failure and you just stop. And your gym bro just looks at you like, and you just know what's wrong. You pick it back up and you carry on doing it, right? I had this funny story, bro. I pushed my friend past failure, bro. He was doing bicep curls, right? And I was like, is that it? You can do more. He's like, fuck, you're correct. And he just, he got inspired by me because I always train to failure. Like, I don't know, bro. I just like failure. Probably because I like going to failure, right? I don't know. I guess I like pain. I'm joking. The point that I was trying to make is like, you're not gonna bitch out in front of your friend. Like, he knows you can go to failure. He knows you can get another 3 reps, and you don't get another 3 reps. Like, it's kind of like making yourself a weaker person. So, just train till failure and get a gym bro. He's gonna like motivate you to train till failure, if that makes sense. So yeah, just train till failure and get a gym bro. So train like a maniac. And when you're doing, please, I want to see this, right? When I want to see this. When you train till failure, right? I want you to shout at the top of your lungs, bro. Just, be the guy that makes the most noise in the gym. 1, you get the most attention. 1, 2, bro, everyone's like has respect for you inside them. They're like, oh shit, he's actually pushing to failure. He's training hard. He's like, no, you know what I mean? You want to be that guy, right? Right? Nod your head. Say yeah. Good. Now, this is the last part before I'm going to tell you to buy my course, so fuck it. Instead of telling you later, I'm going to tell you now, right? Join my course, bro. It's the link in the description, and I will literally... everything you need to know to build your dream body. Everything. Just check the link in the description. And if you're watching this, bro, like right now, from like now until, I don't know, until I change the price, it's $1, bro. $1. You don't want to invest $1 into your fucking... just fucking buy my course, bitch. My dumbass decided every single video that I added to this fucking video. Oh, you don't know. So pretty much, I'm recording this video in segments, right? But I deleted every single video, and I had to spend like 20 minutes trying to find the videos that I deleted in my fucking trash folder, and then find them and then put them back. So this is just a big headache. But the last part that I'm trying to say is eggs and meat are the most important thing you can do to build a muscle. Pretty much, if you click the link in my bio, you see the photo before and after, right? The before photo is like 60 days, and then 60 days after, right? Is the 2 photos. So pretty much, in the span of them days, I only ate meat and eggs, and I ate a shit ton of meat and eggs. And that's the point of this, like, this part is I'm trying to explain to you that just eat as many fucking eggs as possible and eat as much meat as possible. That's the only way. You'll lose fat, you'll lose body weight, you'll gain strength, you'll gain size, and your muscles will grow. And your uncle will think you're on steroids. So, if you want that to happen, eat them eggs. And click the link in my bio, bro. Join my course. And on that note, get big, get shredded, and fucking, I don't know, get sexy. Peace.